All right, so if you decide to use the display, there are a few things you need to know. First thing, it's completely wireless, so it's super easy to remove and to put it back. It takes about a second, and to start it, there is a sensor behind the display. You just put your finger here for 3 or 4 seconds, and when you see the light starting, your display is on. Then to connect the display to your bike, you need to pedal a little bit. So once you have the numbers on your display, you can see you are now connected to your bike. Means the blue button tells you the motor is connected to your display. And then to change the power of the motor, it's super simple. You just swap up or swipe down. So 0 is no power, it's push bike style. Level 1, you're gonna be level 1 or level 2 on a flat, and when it's really hilly, you can go 3, 4, or even 5. And then this is your current power, 0 from 300 watts, so it will tell you level 5, you will be about 300 watts, and level 1, you're gonna be about 100 watts. That's it. It's super simple to use. 80%, this is the current charge of the motor, and on the right side, this is a charge of the display. And you have a few data about your average speed, the length of your trip, and a few other info on your display. That's it. Super easy to use.